This is how you make a harto falion type loop. I initially started out with this bell. It's just a one shot. It was just a little bit too clean for my liking. So I put on this plugin. It's called Digitalis. Basically, it degrades your signal. It's kind of like distortion. It also adds a bit of noise to your signal, just depending on the preset. It's got a really nice interface. I recommend checking it out. I found it out from Taylor Morgan. So shout out Taylor Morgan. It's a plugin inspired by bad audio converters. So like YouTube to MP3 and like old dial-up internet signals and stuff like that. So I'd recommend checking it out. It's a really cool plugin. And the call and response that you can kind of hear going on. So it's just this bell preset in Xenology. It's called Sharimba, and I added Digitalis on that as well. Just this panning preset that's just from Ableton. It's auto pan. It's called Around the Head. I just kind of like adjusted the amount and the rate, and then I just added erosion on the end of that just to kind of like make it sound a little distorted. So that's the purple notes. I end up duplicating the same preset. So it's the preset again called Sharimba. Then I changed the notes and like where they were. I used this Ableton saturator. It's the preset called Warm Up the Highs. But I just pushed the drive a little harder than what it was, just to add a bit of character to it, you know?